In this video, you'll learn how to install the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site. This process will enable you to add e-commerce capabilities to your website, allowing you to sell products and manage transactions efficiently. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your WordPress site. Once the page loads, look for the login section to access your dashboard, enter your username and password, then click the login button. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Next, locate the Sites option on the left sidebar. This section will show all your WordPress sites. Click on Sites to view your list. If you have multiple sites, select the one where you want to install the WooCommerce plugin. Once you click on your site, you will be taken to its management screen. After that, find and click on the Plugins option in the left sidebar. This will take you to the plugins management page. Here, you can view all the plugins currently installed on your site. Look for the search bar at the top of the plugins page. Type WooCommerce into the search bar and press enter. The search results will display the WooCommerce plugin among other related plugins. Click on the WooCommerce plugin when it appears in the list. This action will bring up the plugin's details page, which includes information about its features and user ratings. Once you are on the WooCommerce plugin page, click the Get Started button. This will initiate the installation process. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take a few moments. You will see a progress indicator while the plugin is being installed. After the installation completes, a confirmation message will appear confirming that WooCommerce is now installed on your site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.